Welcome back to the DŌST Unboxing Series. Dave is back, he's stronger and he's ready to show you how to use your bike. The first step is to charge your battery by using the charger provided. You can plug it in while the battery is in the bike, just like Dave is demonstrating. Once the battery is plugged in, the indicator lights will turn red. And when your battery is fully charged, one of the lights will turn green. You can also remove the battery to charge it. Use the keys to unlock the bike and push the lever to remove the battery. To reinstall the battery, slide the bottom of the battery in the frame and push the top back in until it clicks. Lock the bike using the keys and your battery is installed. Don't forget to smile, just like Dave. The kickstand can be height adjusted to work on different terrains. Dave is happy with this height here, so he's going to walk his bike around for no reason. To turn the bike on, press and hold the on button for 3 seconds. The display will show you the time, your battery life, speed and distance. On the left side of the handlebar, you have the throttle and control panel. The display sits in the middle and the gears on the right. To set different levels of assist, use the plus or minus buttons on the control panel. There are 5 levels of assist, 5 being the most level of assist and 1 being the least amount of assist. Level 0 will turn off the motor power, but will keep the display on. To turn the headlight on, push the light button for 1 second. Repeat the action to turn it off. Alternatively, you have a light sensor on your display that will automatically turn the lights on when it's dark. To engage the throttle, simply use your thumb and push down. The left-hand brake will engage the front. The right-hand brake will engage the rear. When the brakes are engaged, they will automatically switch off the motor power. Using the gears is easy. To downshift, use the thumb lever. To upshift, use the index finger lever. Your bike is now ready. Dave is chuffed. Look at that smile. It's time for you to go out and explore. Have fun and don't forget to drive safely. Of course, if you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.